Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You will begin by reaching the router interface. Log in as admin. Locate the router IP on a sticker or run ipconfig/all on a connected PC to get the gateway. Type that IP into your browser. Use the admin credentials. If you don't know them, try defaults like admin/admin but change nothing yet. Once logged in, make sure you are on the router status or advanced settings page. Keep a notebook ready for any timestamps you find. Now find the logs or system section. Different vendors call it logs, system log, or security events. Expand options and enable full logging if it's off. This preserves future history. Use filters. Select the device by IP or MAC, pick a date range, and apply any protocol filters like DNS or HTTP to narrow results. Make sure to export or copy entries you need, because many routers rotate logs quickly. Save a time. Finally, interpret the entries. DNS queries show domain lookups, HTTP logs show request URLs when available, and timestamps reveal sequence. Export logs to CSV or text so you can sort by time or device, and map internal IP addresses to device names from the DHCP client list. If history is incomplete, enable DNS or advanced logging, or configure an external syslog server. Troubleshooting tip. If you see no logs, reboot the router after enabling logging and check firmware security settings that may block access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.